Hi, hello ladies and gentlemen. I'm Judes Yahya from osprovzoftware.com. Our expertise is helping organization automate their manual processes using our easy to use and handy OSPROV workflow process software. Alright, welcome back to my tutorial video on web programming with Laravel. Yesterday we learned about we look a bit on our application where we configure it, and now today I'm going to continue on that. Of course, we're going to continue on that because this is going to be our project, so we're going to create this project for this tutorial. So today I'm going to do the first thing, which is to create the model for our projects. Okay, so let's go on and do that. Okay, so this is our application. So we need to do some modeling for the data model. So let's think this through first on what application that I'm going to create. So I'm going to create this e-hierarchy application. Okay, let's go to the demo application here. Let's log in. Okay. Okay. We log in into this system just to get an idea on how they model the system. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, you have ahli. So I guess ahli is users lah. So let's open one users. Okay, let's just take this users. Alright, so this is the information that is going to contain inside the users. So maybe we can do something from here. Maybe we can create something from here. Okay, and then we see that one user will have outstanding. So outstanding meaning that they have invoice, and then they have payment. So we already know they have one invoice and then they have payment. Okay, that's one thing. So what else do we have inside here? They have tanggungan. Tanggungan is dependency. So they have dependencies. Okay, so let's go to the drawing block. Let's jot something first. Okay, let me choose the color. Okay, this is going to be my user model. Okay, this one is already done by Laravel jetstream. Okay, from this, what we have dependencies. Dependencies, tanggungan, dependencies. Hold on, yeah. Okay, users dependency. And then what else do we have? We have invoices. Okay. User will have invoices. And then what else? And then they have payments. So payment is made by users. So one user can have many payments. One user can also have many invoices. One user can also have many dependencies. Okay, so that's the structure for our model lah, the basic one. So let's look back at the application, see what are the structure that we have. Surat, the one later lah. This one I'm not going to do something. Okay, they have tuntutan. Tuntutan is claim. Okay, what else? Alright, so they have claims. Okay, one user can have many claims. Okay, what else? Let's look at it. Okay, we have this surau or masjid. I think we can just call it karya. So okay, I have let me put the karya somewhere first. let's see whether there's any relation. So one user should belong to one karya only, right? Okay. So we have one, okay, one to one relationship. Here if one to many, one to many. Okay, one user will have one karya. What else do we have? So under karya, one karya can have many admins. Okay, we have one karya can have many admins. Okay, what else? Kewangan under here yuran. Okay, maybe we put one karya can have many yuran. Okay, maybe they have. Let's look at this. We have one karya with yuran is what? Yuran is fees. Okay, fees one to many. They can have many fees. Okay, fees going to be buyer and all that, right? So let's not look at that yet. What else we have? Karya fees. What else? Okay, I think let's do this basic first. Okay, we have one karya. You have yuran. Perakunan mudah. Okay, there's a lot of things. Ini under here is going to be a lot. So I think let's not focus on that one first. So let's just do a basic one. We're going to create one user with many dependencies. We do that first because even for the claim invoice, this one I have to look first whether this is the correct relationship yet because this one might have a relationship to the karya also. So this one might be a many to many relationship. So I still haven't fine grade on that design yet. Okay, it's okay in software development. You don't get it the first time. It's okay. That's normal process of software development. So even in agile, we will do it step by step, iteration by iteration. So it's okay. Don't try to make everything perfect. If you do everything in one try, you want to make it perfect, it won't happen. You will be overwhelmed and you won't complete your project. So let's do one by one. So for me today, I'm going to just create a model for users and dependency. Oh, sorry, I have. Okay, let me just. Yeah, I didn't put the screen. So can you see my screen now? Yeah, you can see the relationship. Okay, let me just explain back because just now I just talking without the screen. So you have the users. One user with many dependency, one user with many invoices, one user with many payments, one user with many claims. But this relationship is not yet clear. It's not. There's no clarity yet on that. But never mind, we just put there, so we know that this is the objects that we might need to configure. Okay, we have karya. We have, yes, that's good. And then we have fees, and then we have what is this? I cannot read my own handwriting. Karya. Oh, admin. Okay, admin. Sorry for that handwriting. Okay, so yeah, let's start. I'm going to just focus on users and dependencies. So let's create that one first. Okay, let's go. Okay. So this is the application from that we're going to reproduce. Hi Amira, thank you for sharing the stream. Okay, let's go here. And okay, let's go to our console. Okay, let me just stop it. Okay, let's look. Okay, yeah, we just want to see what's the command to create the model. So just PHP artisan list. Okay, there's a lot, so just pipe this into a more. Alright, so let's look. We want to do model. So where's the model? Make model. Create a new eloquent model class. Yeah, that's what we want to do today. Let's create a model. So let me just do this. Make model. Okay, let's open the help. Let's just see what kind of options that we have. Okay, description. This is going to create a new eloquent model class. Okay, here's the option. The name of the class. Generate a migration seeder. Okay, you can do all here. You will create everything. Oh, that's cool. Create a new seeder file for the model. Oh, we can also create a new seeder file. Okay. Yeah. Here, if we want to, this one is for a many-to-many has-through kind of relationship for the pivot table. Is it should be a resource controller? Yada yada yada. Alright. Okay. Let's create. I'm going to make my model. Going to give it a name. Make model. Okay. First the option. Should I create all or just? Okay. Never mind. Let's just use the option A. See what happens. Model. Okay, this one is going to be the name dependent make model a dependent. Yeah, I think this is the correct verb that we're going to use. Let's run. Yeah, correct. So you can see that yeah, we use a singular for model, and it will automatically create the migration. Model created successfully, factory created successfully. Factory is used when we want to do some testing, so we do that. Alright, so what we have here, let's open my codes here. Let's see what is being generated. Controllers. Oh, I think I have to, let me refresh. Can I refresh here? There's a setting to refresh. Selection. Tools. Okay, maybe I just close and open back. Hold on, yeah. Let me find the file, the folder. Okay, let's open this. Okay. App models. Okay, I already created a dependent extend model. Okay, we also created the factory. So let's open under controller. Okay, it didn't create a controller for me. What else do we have? Let's open back my console. Model created successfully. See the factory and resource controller. However, it doesn't create my resource controller. Should be a resource controller. It's okay, never mind. We can create that later. Let's focus on the model first. So I've already created the dependence table. So let's open the migration database. Okay, yeah. Here you can see that this is the dependent factory. Okay, here is a user. This one is user factory. So as I mentioned, this factories is used when you want to do testing. Later on, maybe not today. Today's not going to be enough time for us. We can explore on how we can do what we call TDD, test driven development. So meaning that we do testing first until the test pass. Then that's how we know that our function for that one is completed. So yeah, maybe after I've created a simple model here, we can start do that. Okay, so let's look at the, yeah, this one definition is still blank. Of course, we still don't have any relation for that one. So let's do the dependent first. Okay, under here. Okay, also observe that for Laravel 8, when you do the generator, you create the generator, it will put all the models into the models folder. Before this, everything that you do, you have to we put it under apps, and you when you do the command line, you have to put model lah, slash something lah. But now default it will put everything under app models, so much more organized lah. Okay, so under user, we are going to have, okay, we're going to create the what we call relation. So of course we do this first. We create, I think we create the table for dependent first. Create dependents. Okay, what should we have under here? Okay, let's look at what the user have. Create. Okay, let's open back my application. Ahli, senarai ahli. Let's take one. I want to see the tanggungan. I think, yeah, that's all right. You only have the names and IC, so let's do that. So something like this. Maybe, okay, we make it more lah. Let me open the create dependent. Close this one. Okay. String name. What else? We have the name. We have the email. Okay, now I want to put some email. Maybe some context lah. Last time this one they don't have all this. Let me tukar. Is it? Yeah, they only have this one. I think you should detail out. Maybe of course we can make it optional. So no problem for that. So how to make optional? Name of course is not optional. Email is unique. Yeah, okay. Nullable. We make it nullable, meaning that it's just doesn't matter. What else? Name, email, IC. IC. Let's do IC. What is IC? IC number. I want to make it English but okay lah, never mind. Just put IC number. It's very default for Malaysia. We know IC number is that. And then we want the relationship. Okay, this relationship shouldn't be hard coded, right? Yeah, it should be, yeah, something like this. So this one we going to store it somewhere else. Okay, so let's go back to our drawing board. Okay, now we know you're going to have a relation here. So relation will connect between the user and also the dependency. Yeah, you're going to have something like this. So this is like many to many also. Each dependencies can have a different relationship with this user through the relation. So we have this table lah. So we're going to do this model later. Okay, okay, what else we have? Okay, so should I put the relation? Yeah, I think I should put. Let's look back under here. Okay, they have this current team ID. Okay, we can do something like that. So let's create one. Table. Okay, nullable. Table foreign ID. This one should be dependency relation lah. Relation ID. Of course, I haven't created the relation yet. It's okay. Nullable. We put it nullable. So what else do we have under dependency? Maybe do we want to have contact number? Contact number, maybe not yet. Maybe the email. Contact number, no, they don't have contact number yet. It's okay, never mind lah. I think this should be enough for now. ID's name, email, IC number, relation. Of course, yeah. Don't forget. You need to have a foreign ID. But let me see. Is it under... No, not here. In fact, it's here. Sorry. Yeah, it's here. Because this one belongs to the user, so we put it under here. So the user ID. Let me check whether they name it plural. No. Great. Okay, so we have, of course, this one must cannot be nullable lah, because each dependent must have relation to the user, so it's not going to be nullable. Okay, so this is our table. So let's run. Let's run our migration. Is it the correct name? Yeah, dependents. So let's try. Okay, nice. Let's go to our MySQL. Let's look at dependents. Select, of course, oh no, of course the describe. Sorry. Describe dependents. Yeah, so it's created by Laravel. So that's the beauty of using a framework. You don't have to create the SQL from scratch. You can just use this one. Okay, let's look what else we have. Okay. Okay, now we want to create the relationship. We want to create the relationship for the users with the dependents. Let's look at the Laravel manual. Laravel. Okay, let's go to documentation and yeah, look at under eloquent ORM. Yeah, it's under here, relation. So ours, as mentioned in drawing block, user will have many dependencies, so it's a one-to-many. Yeah, so it's going to have something like this. So just copy this out. I just copy this function. Okay, let's go back to our code. We go to where's our models, users. Okay, it's going to be public, accessible, outside. So this one is going to be what? Not comments, it's going to be dependents. Okay, we are defining the relationship between this. This has many app models. App models dependent. Okay, maybe I put some comments here. Members dependent. Dependence. Okay. Right. Okay, now we do the same thing under here. Let's just copy. Okay, this one is an inverse relationship. So return users. Okay, return this belongs to. So the opposite keyword is belongs to. App models user. Okay, so you can see that this is yeah, one to many. The inverse relation is belongs to lah. Okay, alright. So I think that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow we will continue with this model. We will fine grain our model, maybe we can add the attributes and all that. We refine. We also going to change the users to have a little bit more attributes for the users. So yeah, we're going to do it tomorrow. All right. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and don't forget to share, like, and follow our OSPROV page for our future tutorial tomorrow when I go live. And okay, thank you. That's all. That's all from me. Bye bye. I'm Julius Saya from OSPROV.